Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on career and finance. Leos, we start this month with a lovely Mercury going direct on the 4th, and I've spoken about it at great length in my monthly April video. Mercury is going to help you felicitate all the projects that may have gotten into a loop since January end. In any case, it's a great time for most of you to be going out and socializing, meeting up with your business associates, building relationships, making use of this time not just to know people creatively but also to try and form a synergy with your work. It is very important, Leos, because this year there is a lot of focus is there on your work and how it is that you combine the creativity with the financial aspect of it. And while it is great to understand and know things, but this month really you will have to get out there and start actioning things. So how is it that it results into the monetary piece of it? The focus is that. The focus also is on investors, on funding, on loans, on credits, on mortgages, alimony, child support. There's a lot of focus on that. So it's a good time to be going out and looking for a funding. It's a good time to be going out and presenting your ideas. Again, I'm reiterating, for all the creative conversations, thoughts, meetings, people that you have been doing, do keep in mind the realistic aspect of it. What does it finally result into? That is something that you have to keep in mind. It's great to have a phenomenal idea, but it's more important to have a concrete plan backing it up, Leos. So stay focused on that this month. It's also a great time for collaborations. It's a great time for doing research work. So for those of you who are not really into a zippy travel mode, it's a great time for you to be actually digging more deeper into projects, things which require that kind of an attention or a focus. Try not to get carried away by what you see on the surface. Ensure that it is a workable proposition. So have a great month. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.